Lesson number 5, sending emails using Publisher. After you've spent some time getting your publication ready, it's time to email it or send it out to your recipients. In order to send it directly to your email recipients, you will have to have Outlook installed and set up on your computer. So as long as you have Outlook installed and ready to go, we can send this email directly. To do so, go to the File tab and open up Backstage Office. Towards the center bottom, we see the Share category. Click on the Share category. You can email your publication, and you can also review the email before you send it. If you click Email Preview, what that does is it will actually open up your web browser to display your publication. So if I click that, it opens up my web browser and shows me what the publication would look like in an email. I can close my preview by closing the web browser. I'm going to return to File, Share, and now I'm going to look at the email options. I can send the current page, which will send the publication directly within the email to my recipients. I can send it as a publisher attachment, so that way it sends the email, but then my recipients would have to download a publisher attachment. I could also send it as a PDF attachment, so that if my recipients did not have access to Publisher, they could still download and view my publication. Or I can send it as an XPS, which behaves similarly to the other one. If they don't have Publisher, they can still view it, but they might not be able to change it. What I'm going to select is Send the Current Page. So this will send the publication directly within the email to my recipients. Right away, I notice that I see the traditional email options, to, CC, BCC, and Send. This is actually Outlook overlapping into Publisher. So if I click 2, I can actually review my contact list directly from Outlook. You have Send, which will send the email, Email Preview, which will again open up my web browser to show me what the email will look like. I can choose to cancel and not send. I can add additional attachments, or I can review my address book for my recipient list. I can mark items as important or low importance. I can flag it so that my recipients know they need to follow up, or review other Outlook options that you would find in email traditionally. At the bottom, we see my design checker letting me know that there is one potential issue with this email. I can actually click the design checker button to open up my design checker again to review what the potential issue is. I'm going to ignore this because I know it has to do with the Gabriella font. So here you can type your email. For your recipients, and make sure you update or change your subject. A quick review. 2 is for your direct recipients. CC stands for carbon copy, and it's for your indirect recipients, so people that might be concerned about the contents of the email but might not necessarily have to react to it. And BCC, which is blind carbon copy, it will send to your recipients, but it will not display the email to every recipient. If you type a list of recipients in 2 or CC, everyone can see each other's emails. If you're doing this for a business or for your home business, it is better to put your recipient list in the BCC field. This preserves and protects privacy, so this way if you have family and friends emails, they don't see each other's emails. If you have strangers' emails that you're trying to send for a business client list, you're not giving away your client's emails. So make sure you use BCC to protect privacy. Now, if everyone already has each other's emails, you already email each other frequently, you're all friends or family, it doesn't really matter, but the BCC does protect privacy for those who might not want their email widely distributed. So once you type these emails, click send, and that's all you have to do. I'm going to cancel mine because this email doesn't exist. And once you click send, you're done. So just a quick review: to send an email, just go to File, Share, Email Current Page, and then type the necessary information. Click send.